So as we discussed what is pattern in last video, so let us see what are the properties the pattern should have, and according to that how the material is decided or which kind of material is used to make the pattern. So basically keep in mind that pattern is used to give a cavity shape before the casting. So it is an exactly a replica of your component or the casting component. So now if you see the properties the pattern should have, the first property is no or low moisture absorption should be there in the material. So if you see the example of an wood, you will find out that if you take example of your door which is made of an wood, then during summer season the wood gets shrinks, and during the rainy season it gets swell. So due to that, what happen in rainy season, when you close the door, whatever the border of your door is there, it get not matches the size of an door, so it's very difficult to lock the door in rainy season. So what is the reason? As your wood has an property to absorb a moisture, due to that the wood gets swell and its size gets changes, and due to that it does not fit into the door frame. So for that reason you can, so this kind of an property is important in pattern as well, as it may change the pattern size and that may affect on your casting component. Next is what? Low density. So if it is has a low density, it is easy to handle the pattern while making a cavity into the sand. The next is it should have a good excellent surface finish. So whatever the surface finish of pattern will be there, the same surface finish will be impressed on the sand cavity. And once you pour your molten metal into the cavity, this whatever the surface of sand casting would have, the same will be appear on your casting component. So for that reason you required a good excellent surface finish on your pattern. Another is what? It should be easily to fabricate, so that whatever the shape or critical shape of the component will be having, the same can be given on your pattern. Another is cheap. It should be available easily with low cost. Then it should be resistance to wear. So as the pattern used for large volume of your casting, after doing or after producing a few number of casting, as it comes in a contact with the sand or as we used to handle it, there might be a chances of wear. So due to that reason it may change its size. So for that reason it should be good for resistance, or it should be good wear resistance. Then according to these properties, which material should be selected? So if we select the wood, and if we try to compare all these properties with wood, you will find out that here it is an disadvantages of wood is that it absorbs the moisture. So due to that reason wood can change their size due to absorption of a moisture. So whatever the moisture present in the environment or surrounding to that pattern may absorb and it may change the size. So according to that the pattern should be made. It is then having a less density. You can give a good surface finish on the wood. It is easy to fabricate and it is cheaper, and it is also a good wear resistance. Now if you compare a metal with all these properties, you will find out that the metal have a low or no moisture absorption property. So it is good compared to the wood, but it is, as it has a high density, it will be having a more weight and it will be somewhat uneasy to handle a pattern which is made of a metal compared to the wood. Again, you can give a good surface finish on metal, and it is easy to fabricate, and it is somewhat you can say it is not cheaper than the wood. Then again, it is good wear resistance. Then next is plastic. I forgot to tell one more thing related to metal pattern. So actually the metal pattern will be made from the wood pattern only. So whatever the shape you want on metal pattern, that shape will be occur first by making an wood pattern. So you have to remember that whenever you will be making a pattern of a metal, on that you have to provide a double shrinkage. One shrinkage will be related to the wood and another shrinkage will be related to the casting or the metal, due to which the metal molten metal will be going to be shrink. So let us see plastic, another material. So in plastic you will find out that it has no or low moisture absorption property. Then it has a low density which will be easy to handle. It has also an good excellent surface finish. Then it is easy to fabricate, even it is available uh, in less cost. Then it is easy to it is a good wear to resistance, and the material which can be used for plastic, or if you see, you can use resin, polystyrene or PVC. PVC is polyvinyl chloride. Those all can be used to make a pattern. Another is an wax. Um, in wax, it is a soft material and can be produced a complex shape of a pattern. So it is used for number of pattern. So at a time you can fix more number of patterns. Then the removal of wax from the sand casting. So in that case you have to heat the mold so that whatever the solid wax will be present in the mold, it will be get melted, and after melting the wax will be removed, and whatever the solid shape of wax was present, that will be appear in a form of an cavity. So you can use a shellac wax, beeswax in this case. Then actually mercury get freeze at minus 39 degrees Celsius. So whatever the pattern if you are making of an mercury, you have to work at minus 39 degrees Celsius. So at that temperature you make a solid pattern, you make a mold from it, you and after that after once you get a pattern prepared, you make a mold. Then after making it, you keep it in a normal temperature. Then after keeping in normal temperature, whatever the solid part of a mercury will be there, its phase will be going to change from solid to liquid. Then you can extract the mercury, and whatever the solid shape of an mercury was there at minus 39 degrees Celsius, that will be get into your cavity. So this type of an pattern will be used for some complex shape. Generally for space research application we will use this kind of an pattern. And in next video we will see what kind of an allowances are provided on the pattern.